How to manage sharing and access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings, and from the main settings page, scroll down, and then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on Safety Check. Then tap on Manage Sharing and Access. And from here, say Manage sharing and access for specific people and apps, and review your account security. Any changes you make will be saved as you go. So here, there are 3 steps. The first step is to review people, review apps, and then you want to check your account security. So tap on the continue button to proceed, and then tap on continue here. Now it said here, in here, this is the step 1. So at the moment on my device, I'm not sharing any information in health, photos, calendar, home, maps, fitness, messages, find my passwords, and notes. Now those apps will give you the ability to share information. So you might want to review the people who you are sharing information with, and if you want to revoke sharing, if they are no longer involved with you. You can also tap on the information tab to view more information. After that, tap on continued. So step 1 has been complete, so now we tap on continue. And now we go to the app, reviewing apps. So here, you have not allowed any third-party apps to access your information. So once an app have been given permission to access your data, it will shown here, and from there you can review if the app no longer need to have access to your information. From there you can then select an app and revoke the permission. After, you can tap on the continue button to move to the next step, and here you can tap on the continue button. In step 3, we are now review devices connected to your Apple account, so tap on continued. And here I've got my watch, my iPhones. If you have more devices and you don't know what are those devices, then maybe you can simply select it and then remove it from your Apple account. So if you do not have anything to remove, you can simply just tap on the skip button. Next, you can view your phone number here to verify identity. You can remove that number and you can add in a new phone number, and then tap on the continue button. Next, you can choose to update your Apple account password, or you can do that later in settings. Okay, finally, we can now update emergency SOS, so you can review if your current phone number is still current. If it is out of date, you can add in a new emergency SOS number, or you can add in multiple emergency contact. After that, you can tap on the continue button. And here you can update the device passcode, or you can update later in settings. And here said safety check complete. So tap on done to finished. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.